In front of me is ONEPLUS Pad, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access additional settings. Following that, click on Keyboard and Input method. Select Manage Keyboards and Keyboard. Now just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. In order to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!